Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. The diameter is 65 and 40, length is 50 mm. Select here metric standard mm template. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Select 2D sketch, select the plane, create two circles, diameter 65, one more circle 40. Next, there is a two circles, dia 20 and dia 40. Distance is 85 mm. Forty and 20. Distance is 85 mm. Give the vertical constraint. Select line. Give the tangent constraint. Create one more line here. Give the dimension 25 plus 20, or you can give the 25. Trim entities, trim this line. Friends, this distance is 40 mm. Okay, trim these lines. So finish sketch, extrude, length we required 50 mm. Here select symmetric 50 mm. Here select XY plane, new sketch, select the line, create line like this, give the tangent constraint, finish sketch, extrude, length, thickness is 15 mm. Next, there is a one cutout. For that, new sketch, here create one rectangle, give the dimension. Here we can select slice graphics, give the dimension here to here 45, thickness is 25 mm. .5 mm. Finish sketch, extrude, here select cut option, symmetric, through hole. Okay. So that's it. If you want, you can add the some fillets here. Assign the material. Assign here iron cast. For iron cast, we can assign the finishes like this. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also I am requesting please do subscribe my channel and support me for the more updates. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next session.